Hi everyone, this is Practice Formatif Chapter 4, Permutation and Combination. Subtopic 4.1, question number 6. So we have to find the number of ways to rearrange all the letters in the word cute. So for cute, we have 4 different letters. So therefore, when we need to rearrange them, we create 4 empty slots. So the first empty slot, we have 4 letters to choose from. So we have 4 choices. And followed by the second empty slot, we're left with 3 choices. And the third slot, we're left with 2 choices. And when we're left with only 1 letter, this is the only way that the letter can go. So there is only 1 choice. So when we multiply this one after another, so the number of ways, okay, the number of ways will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, or we can write 4 factorial. That will be 24. There are 24 ways to rearrange the word in cute. Part B. How many 4 digits number that are different that can be formed by using digit 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition? Same thing, 4 digits. So let's draw 4 empty slots. And therefore, the first empty slot, we have 4 choices of number, followed by 3 choices, followed by 2 choices, followed by 1 choice. Therefore, the number of ways to arrange the 4-digit number will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 4 factorial, which is 24. Part C. We have to find a number of ways to arrange 6 different books on a bookshelf. So since they are all different, so let's just create 6 different slots. Okay, and therefore to arrange all of them, the first empty slot, we have 6 choices, followed by 5 choices, 4, 3, 2, 1. Therefore, the number of ways will be 6 factorial, which is 720. Okay, and then part D. Okay, how many ways can 5 people queue up to receive the vaccination in hospital? So 5 people queue up, so we just create 5 empty slots. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first empty slot, we can choose any of the 5 patients. Then when 1 patient is already in line, so we can choose the remaining 4 to fill in the second empty slot. So whenever we need to rearrange something, we rearrange everything, we use the factorial way. So the number of ways will be 5 factorial over here. Okay, so 5 factorial, we will get 120. It's either we use factorial or we use NPN. So 4 factorial is also means 4, we permute 4. 6 items, we permute all 6. 5 patient, we permute all 5. So NPN is actually N factorial. So this is the things that we need to take back, okay, for permutation. All right, that's it for this question.